Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you guys how to do your own individual lashes. I actually haven't done a YouTube freaking video in like 6 freaking months or even longer, because I don't know, I've been working a lot and I've been having to feel like doing them. But I'm gonna show y'all how I do my lashes. I already got my lashes on, but it's like pieces. Like, no, I have them on, but it's like this one, like I feel like it's kind of short, like it's like one of those spots. I feel like I want it like a little bit all around. I didn't put it all around because it's kind of like right on the corners right here. The hair is really small, so I didn't really want to put none right there, but I'm gonna put some right there anyways because it's really bothering me. It looks weird to me. So I'm redoing individual lashes. For me, like the individual lashes, they becoming kind of light, like they look kind of like not dark enough for me, you know what I'm saying? So what I do to make them dark enough is I get 2 of them. Shoot, that's what you gotta really avoid when you pull them down lashes off. Be careful not to like snatch it so hard because you pull the hairs. But yeah, I'm on for. So what we gonna do is I stack them on top of each other. So I basically just stack them on top of each other to make it look darker, you know what I'm saying? Basically it's 2 in 1. And I love these lashes because they're so thin, you know what I'm saying? The little pieces, like the part where you put the glue, so thin, not like the what's it called, the strips are really thick. Like if you ever noticed that, and I don't like that because it's like I feel like it's too thick for you to put it on your eyes sometimes. A lot of girls make it work, I don't know how, but for me I cannot like just stick it on my eyes. It's really hard. It's really hard to do that. It's so big. I like it really thin, like the individual lashes, like the little spot right there. It's really thin, you know what I'm saying? And I like that. So what I'm gonna do is just I stack them on top of each other. They're so small, so you know, it's taking me a little mini. Basically, just like that. You stack them on top of each other. Boom. They're looking real thicker. It look way better. You get a little bit of I use the bonding glue. I don't use this, the special glue I guess that make, when you go to shops, stuff like that, who's like licensed, stuff like that, they use that glue and it's like really sticks really well, and that's today it burns your eyes and like you can't really take them off. I use this because I know who I am, and if I feel like taking these lashes off, I want to just take them off. I don't want to have to do a whole bunch of going somewhere for them to take them off because they stuck, you know what I'm saying, because of glue. This glue is so freaking crusty right now, but hey, we're gonna make it work. It's still a lot in there. I don't even know how I just did this, to be honest. No, I'm gonna need this. So basically you just pull off, you just get a little bit of glue, right? You already don't stack them on top of each other. Basically that's all you do. That's really all you do, is you put a little bit of glue to make them stick together. And they so thin, they gonna stick together. They're going to stick together. It don't take much. And all you do is clamp them together, smush them together. And they gonna stick. And by I mean individual lashes, these are the ones where I'm trying to say where they go on the underside of the eyelash, not on the top. Not really like these doing it like this, because I cannot deal with the strip lashes on the top of my lashes. It bothers me so much. I can't keep them on. I cannot keep them on. They itch. They bother. And lashes are so beautiful. I love lashes, but the way they on the top of it, they itch so bad. They itch on the corners. They itch everywhere. I can't do it. So this is why I never used to wear lashes like that. Only on special occasions when I don't want to look. I want to do it all. But I be wanting to wear it like a lot of different times where I not just have to wait, you know what I'm saying? I want to wear it just regular day, you know what I'm saying? But I can't because it's so irritating. And so since I started doing this, it really has been helping me, and I can keep them on. I had these lashes on for 4 days now and they don't bother me. I'm just fixing them up because one of them fell out on this. I was crying, and it kind of made it slip out. One little piece slip out. So now I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put on this little corner. So I'm just going to dip it. Into the glue. And one thing about it, you put it on the side that you put it on. You don't put it on that on this side. You put it on the other side. You know how I think with the strip lash you put it on this side, but no, you put it on this side because it's going under. So we're just going to, I'm going to bring the camera up a little more so you guys can see, so you guys just see this. Trust me, y'all, it's not, a lot of girls been doing this. I just want to give it to tutorial for y'all, and I love it. I really do love it. Don't mind my lace, I'm fixing it up. So we're just going to place it right there. That's all you do. That's all you do. You just place it right there. That's the only one I wanted to do because it was just like the rest of them was already done, and I wanted to make it look a little like fuller on like the whole eye. That's all you do. It's way easy. It's really easy. It does take longer than just doing the strip lashes, but I feel like it's worth it. I really feel like it's worth it because they don't bother your eyes, and you can make it how you want to look it. I mean, you can make it how you want it to look. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know. I just like them. I like them way better, to be honest. I know a lot of girls say the same thing. They itch real bad. And everybody want to look cute. Everybody want to look good, you know what I'm saying? But they don't want to look good and have to suffer while looking good, you know what I'm saying? They want it to look good and just feel good as well. So, yes, that's basically how you do it. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.